We're living through deeply uncertain times. Climate denial and misinformation are growing louder, while here in the UK we face the threat of airport expansion, Rosebank, and the steady dismantling of nature protections. 10 years after the Paris Agreement, and we're still nowhere near on track. Emissions keep rising. Nature is in free fall, and the gap between commitments and real action is wider than ever. But most people do want change, and we know how to make it happen by organising, by coming together, and by using our collective power. That's why I'm asking you to support Zero Hour's Big Give Challenge. Zero Hour is working with campaigners in every UK constituency, building strong community networks and urging MPs to back transformative legislation, the Climate and Nature Bill. They're also uniting MPs through a new cross-party climate and nature crisis caucus, a vital space for honest discussion, scientific clarity and accountability. Your donation will help connect campaigners, challenge misinformation and ensure that science, not spin, shapes government decisions. You know, politics isn't something that just happens to us. It's something we do. So let's stand together and turn hope into action. If you can, please donate to Zero Hour's Big Give Christmas Challenge. Thank you.